Hey, car enthusiasts! Are you tired of paying top dollar for auto parts? Do you want to save a ton of cash while still getting top-notch quality? Well, you're in luck, because today, I've got something special just for you. Before we dive in, make sure to click on the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on A Premium Auto Parts. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. All right, let's get into it. So, you know A Premium Auto Parts, right? They've got everything you need, from brake pads to wiper blades and everything in between. High quality, reliable, and they don't cost an arm and a leg. But wait, it gets better. Imagine getting those already affordable parts at an even lower price. Yeah, you heard me right. With this exclusive coupon code, you can save big. I'm talking up to 20% off your entire purchase. That's extra money in your pocket for more important things like gas or maybe even that dream road trip. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I get this amazing deal? It's simple. Just click on the link in the description below, enter the coupon code at checkout, and voila! Instant savings. You'll be cruising down the highway knowing you got the best deal on the best parts. Still not convinced? Let me break it down for you. A Premium Auto Parts are trusted by thousands of car enthusiasts just like you. They offer a 1-year warranty on all their parts, so you know you're getting quality that lasts. Plus, their customer service is top-notch. If you ever have a question or need help, they're just a call or click away. So, what are you waiting for? Go on, click that link below, grab your coupon code, and start saving big on A Premium Auto Parts today. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Remember, the link is in the description below. Happy driving, everyone! And may your car troubles be few and your savings be plenty. Catch you later.